So Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, in his campaign, took time to honor Prime Minister Busia's resting place as it should be, because you remember, Prime Minister Busia is part of the MPP's tradition. The MPP tradition is a Dankwa Busia Dombo tradition. Busia, represented by John Ajikun Kufuor, has been president. Dankwa, represented by Nana Akufo-Addo, has also been president. Now is the turn of Dombo. Anybody who honors the very fabric of the New Patriotic Party's genesis is worth becoming the leader of the party. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, GhanaNsem number 3. So please, delegates, let us vote for the candidate that respects our genesis. Vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, GhanaNsem.